Struggling with Apple CarPlay connectivity in your Audi Q7? Here is how to troubleshoot the connection in under 3 minutes. Data shows that roughly 80% of connectivity issues are resolved through simple software resets. Let us start the diagnostic process by isolating the culprit. Begin by toggling your phone's Bluetooth, checking the MMI connection manager, and testing a high-quality certified cable. Software conflicts often arise from outdated iOS versions or corrupted pairing profiles stored within the MMI system. If basic steps fail, delete the device from the Audi MMI and remove the car from your iPhone's Bluetooth list. Most users fix this at home, but if the issue persists, a dealer firmware update may be required. A simple reset costs nothing, while professional diagnostics or hardware repairs can climb into the hundreds. Use an OBD scanner to rule out communication errors, and always try a forced MMI reboot by holding the volume knob. Keep a high-quality cable and an OBD scanner handy to manage these recurring software quirks. Remember that modern infotainment systems often just need a clean slate to start communicating properly again. If you're still stuck, check your Audi owner manual for specific MMI software versions. Thanks for watching.